Hey everyone, my name's Russell. I'm with Full Sail University Game Design. I got my FedEx iPad. This is the middle of the second month, so it'd be week 6, I guess. And me and old Reg here, my Bobcat. He's half Bobcat. He's been protecting that box since I woke him up earlier. He's half Bobcat, half Orange Tabby. I want you to say hi, Reg. We didn't mean to wake you up, buddy. But he wanted to be here for this unboxing. It's like my son. And so we're going to do this. Let's see what this thing is. This is the first launch box for Game Design 2020. Ready for this, Rick? See what we've been waiting on? Where's your knife? Bring this over here. Got it? Alright, buddy. Daddy, take care of it. I think I've had this box sitting in my room for about 6 hours. Oh yeah, this is my work area. My office, my bedroom. My therapy area, because I have 2 slip discs in my back from a car accident. Some of you know this, some of you don't, but ain't nothing gonna stop me from learning. I ain't never had an iPad before. Well, I did. Before we go any further. Who remembers the original chargers for the iPads? And yeah, well, I bought this outright from somebody, and turned out I had an activation lock. So why I don't like iPads? Apple, period, because everything you got, it's got to be an Apple. But it's all right. I got 2 different types of DNS ports on here now, and it is an Android to me because I can't get any iOS. Android it up. Also got the old school throwback Atari, guys. What you think of that? Let's see what this thing looks like and what it does. Well, that's the first launch box. 6 weeks into Game Design 2020. It says, Full Sail University LaunchBox content. Congratulations. On your way, progression to Full Sail University. Contains this package are physical items of your LaunchBox. Please note you are responsible for reporting damaged, missing items within 2 weeks of receipt. Alright. Contact technical support, blah, 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 blah. This shipment contains the following items. 1. iPad Wi-Fi 32 GB. Additional information. Approval is required for returns and refunds. Alright, same thing I got right there. I think this one's a 16 gig. Yeah, 16 gig. A little better. Sorry it's a little late. I'd have some music or something going, but my Amazon Fire Stick for some reason wants to keep cutting off tonight on me, and I was watching a really good movie. One of the war movies. Reg, you alright? You don't want to see this? You want to watch this, buddy? You want to watch this? See what we're getting? Huh? See what we got? You're ready to go to sleep, ain't you? Black. This side, gray on it. Oh, I like that color gray. Oh, I like that eye. Oh wow, that's nice. Check out the Apple design. It's actually pretty sleek. What we got here? I like that look. It's like 3D, flat. That's nice. Look at the back of that. Slick. Now, see, I learned over time, you don't turn these things on right away. Man, that's nice. Light too. Charge them full. Always charge your electronics full before you turn them on. Because if you don't get battery, full life of the battery that you're supposed to. Another thing, if you notice, there's not a lot of posts on my channel yet. But old Russell here, he's got plenty of video he's been saving. Plenty of photos that he's going to put into a presentation slide set up for y'all. Just keep posting on me in the next couple of weeks, and I'll show you some good serious projects that I put together, man. Jack of many trades, master of none. Got nothing better to do. An idle's playground is the devil's mind. Said it backwards, but if you think about it, it was correct. What else we got in here? We got a lightning cord. We got the charger box. It's pretty sleek. I got about 1 million of these things. Well, that's it, guys. Remember, hit that like, subscription button. And next time I'll throw in some music or something, better background. I'm just testing out a new program here, so. Alright now.